We have a really beautiful planting of coneflower here. This is Artisan Soft Orange coneflower. It is a cultivar that has been selected for this beautiful orange color and really compact growth. So this particular cultivar is seed grown. So we've got shades from vibrant bright orange to some that have a little bit of pink, and then kind of even into those yellow tones mixed in here. These coneflowers prefer full sun growing conditions. They are perennial. This particular cultivar has a really nice tight clumping growth habit. You can get some regrowth from reseeding, but it's not a rampant reseeder. It likes moist soil conditions, but well drained. We certainly don't want to put these in any type of area that has drainage issues, and they will thrive once established in droughty conditions. So, throw your worst at these guys and they will stand right up to them. If you want a really fun addition to add to your garden, this is Artisan Soft Orange coneflower or Echinacea, and great for pollinators and beautiful in the garden.